Hello everyone, this is the Mr. Coffee Espresso maker I bought from Amazon, and I saw the video on YouTube that someone can turn this knob to heating without this tube blow steam, but my machine doesn't do that way. Whenever this turn on and the steam came out, so I cannot get enough pressure to make a very good espresso. So I decide to modify the circuit to make it heat whenever I plug in the power and turn to brew or steam when I need it. So if I don't use it, I have to unplug the power cord. And it's very simple if you have enough tools. You need this very special screwdriver bit for special screws, and you need a really long Phillips screwdriver because there are 4 screws inside the machine, and you need the flashlight for sure. This one you can get from eBay for a couple dollars. Get this whole set, not a big deal. And then if you go to the bottom here, remember there are 6 screws at the bottom, not 4. There are 4 screws under here, so you have to remove these 2 from here and from here to get another 2 screws out, 6 together. And then you need to use your long Phillip to reach another 4 screws from here. So after you get all these 8 screws out, you should be able to remove the top cover, and then you will see everything inside. And actually I finished my part to see. Yeah, there's a switch like your mouse, computer mouse button, or micro switch like others. And when you turn this knob, it will press this button to make the heating element contact. So what I have done is just tied with the wire to make this button always pressed and heating element always on. So whenever I plug the power cord in, it should heat. And I believe, I hope there's a safety cut off when it reached certain pressure or temperature. Yeah, I think this is a heat limit, temperature limit, and I hope it works. Okay, let's see. As you can see, I haven't turned the knob to anywhere, but the machine already start heating. Let's wait and see. still didn't get what I want. That's it. Thank you for watching.